What's up mga ka-NB? This is a quick overview of our custom build Mountainpeak Agile Boost 29er 1x12 speed. Sa mga gustong mag-build ng kanilang dream bike, pwede po yan sa amin. Visit lang po kayo sa Noris Bikeshop Bago Aplaya or Noris Bikeshop Obrero, Davao City. Custom build specs are M6100 rear derailleur, one by HOLLOWTECH RYDER crankset, 29er Mountainpeak Agile alloy frame, and internal cabling. Shimano MT200 brake set and Shimano M6100 12-speed right shifter, and Mountainpeak handle bar. For the tires, MAXXIS ARDENT 29 by 2.25. Mountainpeak AIRFORK with LOCKOUT. And LDCNC hub 6 poles at 32 holes. To order parts and accessories, please visit our Shopee link in the description below. Frame size is 29er large internal cable. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more videos.